Nityanandam.
Yes, go ahead.
Um, I haven't fully formed the question, but when you talked about DNA, so when you're changing the DNA.
I am activating the gene expression. Now, in the further sessions, I am going to awaken the DNAs which is not awakened in you. So that may change the combination propositions.
So
I am not removing your father's DNA, don't worry.
No,
when I am awakening the new layers, it may, when you test medically, it may look, some combinations have become different.
No, that was not my concern. But patterns are an expression of how the DNA also,
yes,
it goes down to that.
Yes.
So in that case,
Especially the deep patterns, not all patterns. Not like if you have a patterns like a drinking coffee, even alcohol, all this doesn't go even to that. The anxiety.
No, in my case, I see that some are, I don't know, I feel they are
That is
embedded.
not only anxiety and causeless fear, only those kind of things go up to DNA, not anything else.
So
none of the habit, society's habit, good, bad, something which you call as legally right, legally wrong, or socially right, socially wrong, all that doesn't go to up to DNA level and all. To the DNA level, only anxiety and misidentity means originally you will want always peace, but you will always act stupidly to disturb your life's peace. You want to only live with master, but you will always do something stupid to be away from him. People do that. You understand? Like that. Like this, what you want, you will do the opposite to that. You may want wealth, but you will always do something which is against wealth. You may want peace, but you will always do to disrupt the peace, even if you feel peaceful for 2-3 days. Those things go up to DNA. It's called misidentity. Means that not even having the right identity understanding about you and what you want.
Lot of those seem familiar to me. So because now I can see them come as they are. So what you are doing
now
now
I am
is
going to shake that. See, now I changed only genetical expression I was working. Now I am going to get into the next. Today you are very DNA level. By today, tomorrow. And I am also going to make you all do Mrigasarira Vasa once more. The whole team, IA participants, Shivahom participants, everyone. Even if you have done this, IA I have not even made them do already. Even if you have done earlier in earlier IAs, you are going to go through the Mrigasarira Vasa to awaken and cleanse the DNA level patterns. Then I am going to, once when that level of opening up happens, I am going to put this 16 sound into you. It is like a opening not only the heart parts and everything to the core, and they are putting this into it.
Thank you so much.
Swamiji,
Deity.
just before you mentioned about how the Child Labor Act has destroyed the Indian community.
See, we can say children should not be made to work somewhere else, but children always should be allowed to work in their own family concern with their father and mother.
Yes, Swamiji.
That freedom should be given.
Yes, Swamiji.
And even now this country doesn't have, you see now they just 1 month before they amended a law, but it is still not completely risk-free that your kid can learn the profession of you and they can be with you. Still there is so much restriction, it is not completely free.
Okay. And Swamiji, this has impacted, like I am a Marwadi, Maheshwari community, which is business community. The biggest problem is, like in the business community, when you are small, you start learning the business. You learn the trend, how to handle customer, you start dealing with money and all that. Now, the kids are not, they are going to school and they think that, not only they don't learn the business, but they underestimate their parents. Oh, you are not learned. I am
See,
BA, MA, which is useless.
and with
then
all
they are
their
jobless.
stupid MBA, they will be so caught in so many stupid patterns. They can't deal one customer and finish the negotiation. I have seen my grandfather's negotiation, how street smart.
Yes.
And these fellows lose all spontaneity and just go to some business management book, how to do negotiation. Oh, that is not working here. There they said only with the blue jeans and tie, the person comes and you have to talk to him like this. But this fellow is come with a black tie and red jeans, what to do? You understand?
Yes. and the communities with the skills which you already explained, they have suffered a lot. So thank you.
They have suffered a lot. And the whole Hindu tradition, India suffered a lot
Yes, sir.
because of this. See, please understand. So you will have to, but any small thing is taken and manipulated, used only to attack Hinduism. That is why I am saying, let at least kids have a freedom. They should be allowed to work in their parents' concern under their father or mother or relatives. That should be fair. Understand? See, our education system is on the job training, Ramesh. You understand? These guys have இவனுங்க பர்பஸாக பண்ணானுங்க. அதாவது நம்ம எதெல்லாம் எக்ஸ்பர்ட்டோ அதெல்லாம் இல்லெஜிட்டிமேட் ஆக்கினானுங்க. நமக்கு ஒரு ஸ்கூல் நடத்தி தனியாக ஒரு MBA ஸ்கூல், சாரி, we have not been teaching in separate schools like MBA school and all these thing. We were teaching on the job training. That was our lifestyle. So make that as illegitimate. Make that as illegal. You understand? See, these guys get only some 4 or 5 pictures of kids having the brick on their head and make that as a blanket thing and make it as a, that is the way India is, which is not. The percentage is too less. And I have seen in my native place or in Kanchipuram and all, where the kids do the tari, that weaving, it is not like a being tortured. You understand? And they, you see, no parent tortures the kids. And the side jobs, like organizing the gold zari, organizing the silver zari, these all, and moreover that ambience of training. See, by making all this illegal, whatever they try to do, they become the authority. They teach you how to do business in their method, so you have to buy only their product and sell their product, and you learn business for their product. You understand? The kind of how the below the belt shot all these things are hitting you at below the belt. None of us are understanding the how we have been pulled down systematically with so much of conspiracy. You understand? Where? Then what about that? What about that? Politics? It's continuing. I tell you, these fellows removed the Devadasi method. Have they removed prostitution from India? Then?
No. It is grown big time.
Then? Because it is Hinduism related, kill it. Understand?
Swamiji.
See, they are not interested in helping us to evolve and become a better society. You understand? Anything which stands as our strength, break it. Break it. See, Sivagasima, they pick up few things, and then they try to manipulate. I am not saying the kids should be allowed to work in the crackers or matchbox and all that. Also, I don't agree. But as if they were able to stop it now, all politicians are using. Kids working in somebody else's concern, even I am not agreeing. But they should be given a freedom to work with your parents. Siddha medicine, Ayurveda, surgeries, this sculpting, painting, the traditional woodwork, all this is dead because of this one lama. You guys are not understanding the damage caused by this one law. See, I am not saying in the hazardous, like a cracker industry and in all the places kids should work. I don't agree with that. That you can ban. But they used it to demolish the whole thing. Understand? There are tons of things which our just 100 years before our elders know. We don't even know all of them now, ma. It's not there. We have been brutally westernized, ma. Brutally. Not with any, there's no concern or respect for our passions, our love, our lust, our desires, our fears, the way we were celebrating life. Understand? And it is made such a bland, you see, anything Hinduism is lifeless, and if you want any joy, this is the lifestyle. That's the way it is being projected, ma.
Swamiji?
As if Hindus don't have a right for celebration.
So Swamiji, you already have few languages. Can you add Marathi and Marwadi in the software also?
I'll have to learn, I'll do.
Thank you.
Swamiji,
Yes.
can a pregnant lady be taught the Shodasi initiated by you? That will be
What means?
the Shodasi mantra into pregnancy, as a pregnant woman, or conscious conception, even before the conception.
She will be having, the kid, the biomemory of the kid now will have a Shodasi, but I don't know about other whom you are talking.
No, can we
If
have
they
it as a
already,
part of
if they are already initiated in Shodasi and then conceive, the child will have.
Okay, so conscious conception, we can have that as
Yes.
a part of it. And just like the third eye awakening. And the DNA, Swamiji, are there certain set DNAs for all human beings, like set for, no?
Swamiji?
I explained only few things we lost because of this law. If you do little research, you will understand. Please understand, in any field, if somebody is given a Nobel Prize, that person was anti-India and anti-Hinduism. Be informed about it very clearly. They want to generate a new generation, new literature, which is completely against the original lifestyle and culture. And this, sing Vande Mataram, that's all.
Swamiji,
Hmm.
behind you,
Hmm?
right behind you.
Go ahead.
Sarva. After this last process, I just saw a perfect red bindi appeared.
Good.
In the, what does it mean, Swamiji?
Third eye is getting awakened.
Swamiji,
Yes.
when we were doing the meditation, I saw near the third eye area there was a hole and a snake jumped in.
Good.
And
Snake means Kundalini.
Swamiji,
You are feeling your eyes healing, your eyes are getting healed?
yeah,
Huh? You are able to see without the glasses?
almost,
Huh?
almost.
After a few days, maybe by tomorrow, try without seeing without glasses. Do you get any headache or something without glasses?
Oh,
Hmm? Then start seeing without the glasses.
thank you, Swamiji.
I'll make you spectacle free by end of this program.
Thank you, Swamiji. Swamiji, Mahadeva's kitchen side.
Yes.
Who was the most team that destroyed a lot of the Hinduism?
It's 2-3 big forces. I can't say just one. The constant invasion by the Muslim invaders and then the systematic dismantling by the British. The strategic, systematic dismantling by the British. In this, the brilliant people I have seen are French people. They never destroyed anything of India or Hinduism. They only learnt as much as they can. Never there is a history French took gold or anything from India. They took only palm leaves and knowledge and preserving everything. French are the most brilliant people. These fellows, Portuguese, they took all women. And British took all gold. French took knowledge. In their museum, if you see, more than 50% is the palm leaves brought from India. Preserved, protected, published, translated in French. Actually, all agamas, I have only French translation. I don't have English or Tamil translation. See, if the agama is totally 1000 book, at least 500 book is translated in French, only one book is translated in Tamil, only one is translated in English. I am telling you the proportion. So now all the Somasambha Bhattadi, anything we want to practice Kami Agama, I tell only Anne Mary, she is doing translation into English. Because we don't have. We lost and they took it nicely, safely and preserved it. Even Sanskrit is there. From them, they actually scanned everything and published in the internet. So we went to them and got their permission and got the whole thing. So from there, we are now transliterating to Tamil and translating into Tamil. They gave permission. They said they don't, they are not anti-Indians. Or the moment we asked, immediately they said, it's yours, please take. And they gave even in writing. And they said, you can. And they also said that if you write to our headquarters, we will give you more. They will give you more. They said they will even fund you. They just love it. Even Germans, they just love our culture and our language and our knowledge, and they fund, support. Of course, not the present British people are not responsible for that. And
Swamiji, India was a...
see, there are tons of things we lost. You don't know how many tons of things we lost.